Hello everybody. I really love trains, okay? That's my truck. We'll get into the story of that in another video, maybe. That's my tractor too. That's my trampoline. Let's not get so off topic. This car. This is video part 3 of we cleaned up this car so it does not it does not run so crap, it doesn't smoke. We changed the coolant, we changed the oil, we changed the fuel too, because it's so bad. Now let's just listen to this. It does start right up too. It's pretty old too. No sound glitch. I hate this. There it is. Oh! Hey! Hey! Radio works! Drive's pretty good. Whoa! Almost just crashed. I drifted. Yeah, I parked that in the driveway though. No, not the driveway, the parking lot there. Then, because I was on the other video, and when I ended it, I took it for a ride, then I brought it to that parking lot, and then, yeah, I am. Whoa! I forgot these people shoot. I'm at the place that it was before. So yeah. Can you guys stop? I'm trying to make a video here. Please? Okay. Hey! Do I need to shoot you? I'm joking. I wouldn't really do that. Plus, they're friendly. They're my people. I had to take the drink there. A big gust of wind just came a little bit ago. Yeah, it ain't looking so good. Looks like we're about to have a tornado. Alright, any guys. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know how, but I just got speechless then. Oh my God. Hey, can you stop? They just keep on shooting, man. Well, that's it with this series. Well, yeah, series of, this is part 3, and then there was part 2. You should see if you go to my channel. There's part 1. Yeah. Now, comment if my comments do not get turned off. Now, if they do get turned off, but if part 2's or part 1's comments don't get turned off, you can just comment there. If you want me to play GTA and film, GTA Online, I guess, just let me know in the comments, okay? And leave a like too. Well, stay safe out there, everybody, and peace.